Hello, I'm Matthias Carsten from RME. I want to show you our latest innovation, the babyface Pro. The babyface Pro is not the old babyface in a new housing. It's a completely re-engineered device. We improved everything, or better, we made everything new. It looks a little bit like the old one, but only a little bit. You can see there are lots of differences. Don't worry, it doesn't look like this always. It's mounted on a stand now because it has a thread. You can mount it on a microphone stand or whatever you want, or just put it down on the table, no problem. This unit is improved in every detail. The housing is now no longer die cast, it's machined from a block of aluminum. We have professional I/Os that are integrated into the housing, a very nice design, very unique. We now have 4 analog inputs instead of 2 before. So these ones on the side, the TS ones, can be used at the same time as these. They are high impedance, so you can connect everything from line to guitar or keyboard. We have special headphone outputs for low and higher impedance ones. They have different drivers on these 2 jacks. So it's really about detail and quality. We have a completely new interface here with several dedicated buttons, 4 LED meters, and the select and dim button. It's very easy to operate. Even in standalone mode, it's very easy. You don't need a manual at all. All these buttons were completely logical, intuitive, very easy to use. And we have complete interaction. So I can give you a simple example. Here you can see we selected currently input 1, 2 and output 1, 2. Yeah? So if I push the mix button and I turn the wheel, you can see I change the monitoring because it's mixed. You can see here we have the output 1, 2 active, and we adjust our monitoring from the input to the output. Now, if I go here to a different output, 3, 4, and hit the mix button, you will see how here the submix will jump to 3, 4. That is my main output at this time. And again, I can simply adjust the monitoring for that output. Now, if I want to have a different input also on that output, I just change the input, go big to mix, and now I control this input going to the same output as before. This is the same online synchronized as standalone. So you can see from this example how easy the new surface is to operate and to use. And there are lots of more details. I think we don't have the time to cover all these. But this unit is really professional, and that's why we call it babyface Pro. Expected shipping is, I think, end of June.